Hello everyone, today we'll talk about the solution to the problem sum of digits of string after convert. In this problem it's sufficient to just implement the procedure and that's it. You don't have to think about any optimizations. The procedure is this. You take your string and first you convert every character in that string to a value such that A has value 1, B has value 2 and so on. So we take the difference in ASCII values between C and lowercase a, and we add 1 to it because we want to start numbering from 1. We do that for every character, so we map this lambda over the whole string. And now we have in this map a generator that will give us the integer representation of every number, and we have to convert them back into a string. So this is the first step, the preparation stage. And then k times, so with a simple for loop, we have to take our s, treating it like a string, and now we have to convert every character in it to an int, so those ints will be 0, 1, 2, and so on, up to 9. Sum those ints, and this is our new integer. And at the end we have to return that integer after k operations. One note here, of course in Python it's not really important if integers get too big, but it's easy to see that after the first operation, because the starting integer might be quite big in that it might be proportional even twice the length of the original string, but after that, whenever you take a sum of digits of some long integer, that integer becomes significantly shorter. We don't have to worry about that here, but it's still nice to think about if it's not clear to you.